Assalamualaikum beautiful souls, welcome back to my channel. I am Tajrean. In this video, I am gonna teach you how to make this beautiful lamp. It's so cool. All day it looks like a normal plant vase or something, but at night it's glow with all of its beauty. It's very cool and a very fun project to make. You can decor your home with this. So come with me and let's try to make this beautiful lamp together. To make this cool lamp, you'll need a scissor, a pencil, a cutter or craft knife, whatever you call it, a bottle of glue, some LED string light or any kind of light, whatever you have. You will also need a container for your lamp's body. I forgot to show it, and at last a cardboard. So here we begin. First you have to draw something on your cardboard by this pencil. Draw whatever design you like on your lamp. Draw whatever you want. Then you have to cut it with this cutter or craft knife or this scissor. I need nothing because I have the magic power of editing. Yeah, I know. This is not that cardboard, right? Let me confess, I tried very hard, but it was so hard to cut through a cardboard. Do you guys wanna see that disaster? See, my cutter wasn't sharp enough to cut through this thick cardboard. But if you have a sharp cutter or craft knife, you can nail it easily. Then I have cutted my design from that thick paper. Look how cool this spider looks. And after that, you will need a container for your lamp's structure. I have chosen this plastic jar or container. I have collected it from my mom's kitchen. I'm using this old container. You can also use a glass container or whatever you like. I have washed it and cleaned it properly. Hey, if you're still watching, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's move on. Now I'm gonna cover this container with this piece of cloth. I know, it's look very funny and funky because I'm stuck in my home for coronavirus reason and I didn't have any beautiful paint or beautiful paper, so I'm reusing this old fabric. And you can see I have covered this container entirely with this orange fabric. Instead of this, you can use any kind of paint, paper, fabric, whatever you want. It's a blank canvas. Do whatever you like. Now you have to stick your desirable designs in the inside part of your container. If your design is any kind of letter or word, you can easily stick it by flipping the letter. Then it will look right from the outside of your lamp. Now our lamp's body is almost ready. But here you can be more creative. You can decor your lamps outside with glitters, beautiful stickers, whatever you like. I didn't have any of this, so I skipped this part. And now we're gonna make the lid of this lamp. You guys can be so creative here. I love plants so much, so I have decorated this lid of the lamp with some live plants by using these garden stones and a little bit of soil. Here I have chosen those type of indoor plants which have small roots like succulent. And here you go. The lid of my lamp is ready. I have chosen some corn plants and some unknown plants from my garden. First, I have putted some soil and some rocks or stones, whatever you call it, on the top of my lid, and then I have planted these plants. I hope it will be okay inside my room. And to keep these plants alive, you have to spray some water on it every day. Let's bring the container. Here it is. Now you have to cut 2 slits and push it inwards to make a hole. We will need it for the plugging wire of the LED lights. Now take the LED lights and put them into this container. And of course, don't forget to keep the plug of your LED light outside of the container. Now all is done. At last we have to put the lid on. Be gentle and careful here. After all of this, our unique lamp is ready. It's looking so cool and so pretty. In all day, it will look like a normal plant vase or something. But at night, it's disco, babe. I have chosen this spider design because I love Spiderman so much. You can choose any kind of design, any kind of messages. The options are endless. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click the bell icon for more videos. Share with your friends and family. Tajrean signing off. Allah Hafiz.